Hello guys, it is now getting and the sun is setting down, and we're going to record that. I will do a time lapse while I'm playing on the water. Yeah, I finally did get into the water and it was nice. Yeah, this is the first time that I have this Google, to use under the water. Yeah, here, it's amazing. It feels different. It feels like I'm in a very deep water and seeing all the fish, small fish and big fish. Even if in this shallow water, I can see some big fish. Amazing. Okay, let's go again. Yeah, already the sun has set down there. I am going home now because I am feeling cold without in the water. Yeah, my bike is here. You know what, today I really planned that I am going to do snorkeling. Yeah, I waited for the sunset so that it's not going to be very hot when I get to the water. Yeah, the time now is maybe 4:30. Yeah, let's go. Sorry. Thank you. So when you say sorry to, like, when you say, so it's like when you say sorry, and they will answer to you, "You all right, mate?" Something like that. Yeah. You know, these leaves, as you can see, there are so many leaves that are cut down, and that's because of the birds. They are biting the leaves. They cut the trunks of the trees, and it's fell down there. I am thinking of staying here because there is one guy that is fishing in there, so I'm going to disturb him. Oh, it's okay. I'll just be a little bit far from him. So this one, I bought it from Let's Go Adventure, and it's $59. Very expensive, mate. I was looking in Kmart, but they don't have. Actually, this one, I bought it from Kmart, and this is just $12. But I need to have something like this, so I bought this one, and it's $59, and it comes with the goggles. But I don't want to bring the other goggles because a little heavy and a little big. So yeah, I'm using this. So this is going to be the first time that I am going to try this one. Actually, I tried at home, but I am a little the other one that comes with this, I cannot breathe properly. I don't know how to use. So I will use it now. Look at the water, it's very clear. Feels cold, but for sure later on I'll be comfortable with the temperature of the water. Oh, look, again there's a lot of small fish there. Yeah, so we're going to see that later. Yeah, how to use this one. So I don't know, mate. I don't know how to breathe. I don't know how to use this. I don't know how to breathe, mate. The good thing is no other people around me. Yeah, now I'm comfortable with the temperature of the water. I don't feel cold anymore. But really, I don't know how to breathe in this thing. I feel that when I breathe, I need to breathe with my nose and my mouth at the same time. How? Try again. Yeah, I'm trying to cover my nose with my finger like this, and then breathing practice. I'm going to put this here. The water goes inside my eyes, my Google. Yeah, but did you see that? Yeah, it's somewhere there. Yeah. Wow, this is amazing. You know, a lot of people still didn't experience something like this. And me, at least I tried. And it was good. Nice. Yeah, of course, some people, of course, they do better. They do the best. And they're very extreme to trying things like, you know. But for me, this is something easy. Even a baby can do this, but me, this is my first time. So it's really amazing experience, right? We do it again. We're going to go to the shower because, you know, one of the viewer, he told me to shower here in the beach so that there will be no salt water that goes inside my bike and it's going to be rusty. You know, the water is not very cold. It's just a good temperature, mate. Yeah, that's it. And I am going to take a shower again when I get home. So nice. I made it. It is amazing. I'm going to try it again tomorrow. Hey guys, good afternoon. The time now is 4:20. Yeah, this time we are going to the snorkel again. Yeah, this is the one that I'm telling you that is $59 with the Google and this I don't know, mouthpiece or what. Yeah, and the other one is here, the one that I bought from Kmart, here in the toilet. Yeah, this one $12. Yeah, the other one is covering also the nose, so I think I know how to use it now. Yeah, let's go. Today we came a little bit earlier because, you know, yeah, like yesterday and the previous days, the sun was still, yeah, the sun was almost on the set down already. Yeah. You know, this is a little bit different, this Google. This is like a little magnifying glass. When I get down, I see the sand a little bigger. Yeah. But it's nicer compared to the other one. Look, There are some small fish here. We will go down. Without the Google, you don't see clearly the things down there. So Google is good. Yeah, that's why they made it. That's why the company is called Google. Because with Google, you see everything. Yeah, same like this. You see everything under the water. Same like Google. In the internet, you see everything. Yeah, my bike is there. Safe there. And at the moment, there are a lot of people there. They are relaxing, swimming, things like that. There is also one lady that making video there. They are teenagers. Yeah. And yeah, the boats there. That's the Albora Marina. On the other side is where I usually stay. And this time we're just going to do a time lapse. I keep the camera here. Yeah, I feel that we're missing the video of those small fishes there. So I'm going to take again this camera, and we're going down. Yeah, I'm starting to be comfortable with this Google and with this. I now know how to use it. Yeah, but still I'm afraid to get into the deep one because I don't know how to swim. Hey, the salt water is making me vomit. I don't want to drink too much salt water. Yeah, mate, I think that's it. I'm feeling cold also already. Yeah, nice.